figure I put the high idle on. Alright, so I just added a function for the EGT, exhaust gas temperature, and I used Mimic to do that, of course, but I had to put it in the PIDs of TorquePro for it to be usable. Now, right now it shows 00, but there's no temperature, so it's not gonna read anything. So now we have a full working PID, because what else would you want? You got the turbo, you got the miles per hour, you got everything here. You got the temperatures. There's no need for, so this one little box can have everything. All right, there you go, boys. We've got the EGT for the exhaust temperature sensor. Of course, it says -86 because I'm doing a spoof. I'm just trying to test it out to see if it's going to work. I gotta get a thermocoupler. Oh no, it's called thermocouple. Gotta get one of those, stick it in the exhaust, and then attach it to my sensors. I would have it sitting in the middle like that. So I just moved it. Alright, so I had to take a break and keep playing with it, because I've been at it since about, I don't know, 7 a.m. It's now probably 4 p.m. Anyway, so here we got 202 Fahrenheit. So I need to get that sensor and install it, because this, like I said, this is a fake number that I just happen to put in as a tester just to make sure it's going to work. So it works. So this totally eliminates the need for all those extra pods. So we didn't finalize the code for today for the EGT sensor. So this is what it would be like in the system. So now it shows, of course that's a ridiculous number, but that's what I show when the sensor is missing. So 11,756.30 Fahrenheit. So all you need is your Android, you need my Mimic, swap, and you're done. Simple. Pretty cool. Alright, my sensor came in. So I plugged it in to check it to see if it was going to show up in the TorquePro app. And as you see, it shows up. So I'm going to put it in the sun. Pretty good. Alright, trying this again. I have my wires backwards, it seems. I put it in, put my it looked like the temperature was going down when I put it in the sun. So I had to reverse the wires, so now it looks like it's working. But there you go. Working in TorquePro. That's pretty good. Alright, so I installed the thermocouple in place of my original one that I had. So let's power it up. Alright, key on, engine off. Alright, let's crank her up. And there she goes. I'll come back when it gets hot. I think I put the high idle on. Either way, you get the point. That works. So at idle, sitting around 253 in that ballpark. I won't know what we do until we start towing to see what it see what the number goes to on tow. But there you go, folks. Another I think that's all the functions that I need. Actually, I don't think I need anything else. That's everything.